Hey guys, this is Natalie here at Mopar Wholesale Parts, and what we have here are Mopar wheel locks. These are for Dodge, Ram, and Jeep vehicles. I'm going to explain how to use these and install these. Wheel lock kits help protect against wheel and tire theft without affecting the wheel balance. Let me open up this package. It gives you 4 locking lug nuts, and it comes with a key. Here's your key. In the back of it, you will find instructions on how to use and also to register key in case you lose it. But yeah, these are your instructions. When putting these lug nuts on, you do not want to use a, what's it called? An impact gun, because you can damage these and also get them stuck to the wheel, making permanent damage to the lug nuts. It comes with 4. All you would have to do is take 1 lug nut off of each wheel and replace them with these ones. Here is the inside of this key. So you would pretty much match it. So usually, I mean, that was my first time putting it together, so it went in. If I was to get another one, see how you have to kind of turn it to be able to connect it. This part of the wheel lock is put something over it to try to take it off. This actually spins and rotates with it. These are finished in chrome. These wheel locks offer a maximum protection for your wheels. Each kit includes 4 locking lug nuts and an exclusive Mopar key created to deter wheel and tire theft. I want to show you guys a picture of how it looks with the wheel lock on one wheel. Let me pull that up. And this is what it looks like when you don't have wheel locks. Always carry this with you in the vehicle, because if you get a flat tire or something, you want to change it with your spare, and you do not have this, your wheel is going to be stuck on the car till you get your key. So also do not lose this key, because it's the only way to remove your wheel. I'll have more information on the description below. So yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Mopar Wholesale Parts, and give us a follow on our Instagram page at Mopar Wholesale Parts. Thanks for watching.